So, collective, the whole entire point to all of this plotting on you, trying to do scare tactics and get you in fear is to be able to lower your vibration, harvest your energy. But if you're already knowing what they're plotting and planning, and you know that you're not alone, you have alliances, every attempt on you will fail. There's nothing to worry about. All of you who have been experiencing the same things with the gang stalking and the harassing you and trying to force you to do things against your free will, all of these plans will backfire. There are already people that are watching in the background that have your back, okay? So just go on about your business and, just keep on the lookout, stay strapped up and prayed up, but we are not alone. We have help. Message.